The tagine is a dish with a colorful and flavorful sauce that we want to prepare and share with people we love. As bonus, it is very easy to make. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. The day before, marinate 4 chicken thighs. Crush half teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red pepper flakes. Combine. Apply this spice mixture to both sides of chicken thighs. Cover and leave them in the fridge overnight. Keep the remaining spice mixture for cooking the dish. The next day, before preparing the other ingredients for the tagine, take the marinated chicken out of the fridge. Mince 250 grams of onions. Chop 30 grams of garlic. Grate a piece of ginger. Keep 2 tablespoons. Cut 1 preserved lemon in 4. Separate the pulp from the skin. Mince the pulp. And keep the skin in big pieces. Squeeze a lemon and take 3 tablespoons. Cut 15 grams of cilantro and 50 grams of parsley. Keep aside a few to decorate the final dish. Peel 700 grams of firm potatoes. I choose them small so that they'll cook whole. Use 1 kilogram of canned tomatoes. Break 200 grams of whole green olive with pits. They will be well soaked in sauce. Everything is ready. We can start cooking. Put 15 centiliters of olive oil in a pot heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the chicken thighs. Let them fry for 3 minutes. flip them over. And leave another 3 minutes. Add the onions. Stir from time to time for 5 minutes. The onions become melty and lightly caramelized. Add the ginger and the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Now, add all the other ingredients, the remaining spice mixture of the marinade, the pulp of the preserved lemon, the lemon juice, the tomatoes, the olives, 30 grams of raisins, a dozen dry apricots, a dozen prunes with stones, a potatoes, the skin of the preserved lemon, the cilantro and the parsley, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix. Put a lid on, turn on low heat, and let simmer for 30 minutes. Stir from time to time. The chicken tagine is ready. After cooking, the sauce will thicken. It is delicious and balanced. We can fry in the preserved lemon, the spices, the onions, the sweetness of dried fruits. The chicken is very tasty. The tagine can also be made without meat. It's one of our favorite dishes. I like to enjoy it with rice. All varieties are good. Long or short grains, basmati, jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.